Mastering your calendar with keyboard shortcuts.
Managing calendars can be time-consuming, but keyboard shortcuts can make a big difference. By memorizing just a few simple combinations, you can schedule meetings, view your week, and navigate events faster than ever. These shortcuts work in many popular calendar and scheduling apps. Let's explore 5 essential shortcuts to boost your efficiency and take control of your day.
Quickly create a new event.
Need to add an event without reaching for your mouse? In many apps, pressing C instantly opens the new event window. This shortcut gets you planning faster, whether you're using Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. If the shortcut differs in your app, check the Help menu to find the right key. No more searching for tiny buttons. Just tap a key and start scheduling.
Switch calendar views instantly.
Switching between views helps you focus on your schedule. Press D for day view, W for week, and M for month in Google Calendar and similar apps. This lets you shift from a daily task list to a big picture look with a single keystroke. Try these shortcuts to stay on top of today's priorities or to plan ahead with ease.
Navigate forward and backward.
Jump through your calendar effortlessly using the arrow keys. Press the right arrow to go forward or the left arrow to go back. Some apps use J and K as shortcut keys for the same purpose. This helps you move through days and weeks quickly, perfect for finding an open slot for a new meeting or reviewing what's coming up.
Search your calendar instantly.
Can't remember when that meeting is? Use / or Control+F to open calendar search in many apps. Just type a keyword and your calendar highlights matching events. This shortcut saves valuable time by jumping straight to the information you need without scrolling or clicking through multiple dates.
Jump to today's date instantly.
Lost in future or past events? Press T or sometimes 0 to return to today's date immediately. This essential shortcut keeps you oriented and focused on current commitments. No matter how deep you navigated into your calendar, you're just one keystroke away from coming back to what matters most right now.
Unlock your calendar's full potential.
Learning keyboard shortcuts is a simple investment that pays off with every task. Even if you start with just a few, you'll notice instant gains in speed and control. Explore your favorite scheduling app's help resources for more time-saving tips and choose the shortcuts that fit your routine. Boost your productivity one keystroke at a time.